We can lift the trailer, but only with limited control. So this is better than just using the forks. Now we have control. But I think there's a better way yet. I have this scrap bumper. And what I'd like to do is go ahead and cut it apart. You have the internal bracing here. Cut the chromed sheath off of it. And just keep the internal part. And then we'll see what we can do about mounting that, or making that where that can mount to forklift forks. We have a weld here that we need to cut. Weld here. Weld there. And a weld there. And then the same on the other side. Weld it with that zinc on it. So let's take the zinc off. The center of the forks on the set that I have was 17¼ inches or 438 millimeters for the metric fans. I'm measuring to make sure the two fork pockets are parallel. The bumper mounting brackets were in the way for me to finish my weld, so I decided to remove them. The bolts were pretty rusted and took some effort, even with my big impact, to get them to loosen. Well, I think that will do nicely. Ultimately, I may flip this ball over onto the other side and use this the other way around, but haven't determined that yet. And depending on how much it flexes, I may weld a cross brace between here and there because it's lost all the support, even though it wasn't very thick material, of the bumper right across here. So I had an inspiration late in the game on this. Why not turn the bumper over, move the ball to the other side, as I mentioned I'd thought about doing earlier. Then use the leftover bumper ends that I cut off previously as sort of kickstands, so that this wasn't sitting on the ground. It'd be easier for a single operator to stick the forks into it. Well, let's see how this turns out. Okay, I went ahead and moved the ball to the other side of where it would have been on the bumper. And then I used the pieces I cut off from the ends of the bumper to act as a little stand. Just kind of tacked them on there for now. And let's give it a whirl, see if it works. Trying to drive save time here with one hand. Tighten the lugs down. Helps to go the right way. Let's give it a test. Well, I think this ended up working out pretty well. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps the channel out. Appreciate it.